Hi, today I'm making a chocolate pound cake for Valentine's Day. My husband's going to assist me a bit, so you'll see him in the video. I have several ingredients that I'm going to detail out as I make the cake batter. I will also have the recipe in the description. So we're going to begin with 2 cups of cake flour, as well as 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of cocoa powder. Now I'm going to sift the cocoa powder and the cake flour prior to combining them all together. You want to sift the baking powder, with the cake flour, and then I'm going to mix them all together and set those ingredients aside while I prepare the wet ingredients for the pound cake. In a separate bowl, I'm going to take an 8-ounce block of cream cheese softened with 1.5 cups of butter. And we're going to combine and cream together the butter and the cream cheese. And I'm going to add sugar to this cream cheese mixture. So I'm letting my husband help me with this. And so we're going to go ahead and add the 3 cups of sugar to the batter. You can put a lot. Okay, because it's just like maybe a cup at a time, right? Okay, all right, let's try it again. All right. While this cake is cooling, I'm going to go ahead and make the chocolate glaze. My sous chef has been retired, so I'm going to take 3/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to also add a tablespoon of corn syrup. This is going to give the icing some structure. And then 3 tablespoons of butter over, a low heat in a pot. And just combine that. It gives a nice shiny glaze. Then I'm going to transfer the glaze to the cooled cake. So I'm just adding the chocolate glaze to the cake. And I'm only going to just spread a thin layer over the top. And now you can double this recipe if you want more chocolate glaze for the pound cake. But I just wanted enough for the top. And then I spread the icing or spread the glaze, as it were. And that is my chocolate pound cake. it.